This is our fourth video in the series, and today's video will be short because the topic is easy to understand. To understand trading, remember this simple rule. To buy, someone needs to sell. Whether you're buying a currency, a stock, or any asset, there's always someone selling it to you. Now, let's talk about price action. There are two types: healthy price action and unhealthy price action. Look at this chart. See how the price goes up? Before it shoots up, check out the first candle with a wick above and the third one with a wick below. The space between them? That's called an imbalance. It means things are a bit out of balance in the market. When you see this, it's not great. It means lots of people want to buy, pushing the price up. Sellers don't have much of a chance. Buyers are pretty much in control. Now, let's look at spotting a market trend going down. Look at the first candle before the drop. Notice the wick below this candle. Then, check out the third candle's wick above it. Mark the area between them. This area marks the beginning of the downward move. It's where the market shows signs of weakness and starts to shift towards a downtrend. Next, observe how the market enters this imbalance area. This is called an healthy price action. It tries to correct itself, but then it drops again impulsively. Now, let's dive into spotting imbalances in the market. Watch closely as I demonstrate how to identify them using these rectangular boxes. Pay close attention because practicing this skill will help you spot opportunities in live markets. Notice how I'm encircling the imbalances within these boxes? Each one represents a moment of imbalance between buyers and sellers. By studying these patterns, you'll develop a keen eye for market dynamics and improve your trading decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your skills by analyzing live charts, and soon you'll be spotting these imbalances with confidence. Now let's mark a few more examples to help you understand price efficiency and imbalances better. Look closely at the chart and watch the videos a couple of times until you get the strategy. You might wonder why I'm talking about imbalances. It's because we use everything we can to make better trading decisions. If we find a zone with an imbalance, it makes that zone even stronger. You'll also learn about supply and demand, entry points, and other important concepts. Just focus on the chart to see what an imbalance looks like. Prices move from areas where there's too much supply to where there's more demand, and vice versa. When they leave an imbalance, they usually get filled eventually. So prices need to balance out before the next move. Once you've learned all this, you can use the rest of the strategy to make money in the market. Just enjoy the whole course. See you in the next video. Bye.